Hi, this is Miss Marks, and I'm the first grade special education teacher. I am returning your phone call regarding some questions you had on the special education process. I realize that this process can be overwhelming, and I want to walk you through it as much as possible so you feel confident and comfortable with the work we are doing for your child. I notice you refer to the brochure I sent home in your message. Let me start by further explaining your involvement and your child's involvement within the IEP process. By law, you have the right to be involved in every step of the process. We consider you a part of our IEP team for your child, and any input that you have, we would love to hear. As for your students, since they are only 7 years old, they are only involved in what is appropriate for them to be involved in. Once they turn 15, that will change, and then they will be involved in the process much more. The IEP process starts with a referral that you sent in stating your concerns. We then send a consent form home, which you must sign, and that states you're allowing your child to be formally evaluated for a disability that potentially is affecting their education. Once we receive that consent form, then we will move forward with the evaluation. The evaluation will assess your child in all areas that are related to your concerns and the concerns of their teacher. It will analyze your students' function within their classroom, their memory, cognitive skills, executive functioning, reasoning, communication skills, behavior, and academics like math, reading, and writing. The evaluation is solely to determine if your child is eligible for special education or related services, and to help inform us as an IEP team about the appropriate education program and IEP goals for your student. If the evaluation determines that your child is eligible for special education, then you will be notified that they qualify and a meeting will be set up. This meeting will be within 30 days. It will be when the services are determined and agreed upon. The IEP is made up of multiple different areas. They start with a PLEPS, which will be filled out with your students' current academic and functioning levels. Their goals, which will be measurable data points that can be progress monitored by myself or a teacher. Related services like speech, OT, or PT. A list of your students' educational needs, modifications, and accommodations we will be making. How long and when your child's services will be implemented. The classroom environment in which your student will learn. We try to stay with the least restrictive environment to start and can rearrange that as needed. The last thing would be the testing placement, like a small group setting or one-on-one with an adult. Once your child is older, there will be a section that is called a transition plan. That's going to prepare your child for the real world and work on skills and supports that they might need. Our main goal with the student's IEP is to create a successful educational program and create achievements for your student. We will be in constant communication with you and your child's progress and development, any changes we might make to their program, ideas you can use at home, resources and questions or concerns we might have. We hope that you will also communicate with us any of the above as well. What we discuss will not be discussed with anyone outside of your child's teachers, service providers, administration, or nurse unless we feel your child is in harm. It is our responsibility to show the utmost professionalism and respect for you and your student, which I hope you're feeling today. We want to provide your student with the most equitable education program and watch them develop and grow into the learner we know they can be. I hope this call has answered most of your concerns, and please reach out with any more questions you might have. Have a great day.